It's a great way to entertain the children on a wet, rainy day. If they're looking for something to do, you can make play food, play at dinner time, just by using your old cartons that you throw away from the day before. All you've got to do is find some pretty coloured food cartons like this from your grocery box. And here we've got pizzas we're going to cut up like so. Rather than spending a fortune on these plastic toys, we can easily use our old cartons that we've thrown away and make play food. And in this case, we can make some pizzas. I wouldn't say this is a life hack, but certainly a good, helpful way to create something easily, quickly and cheaply. And already we can see we've got nice pizzas there on the plate for the children to play with. If they want to play with their dolls or their friends, playing tea time or things we used to do with the grandparents. And here I've cut out some nice donuts. So we've got donuts for afterwards, for dessert donuts. And if you want, in another example, we've got some crisps. And all this is very, very cheaply and easy to do. And if you want more of a healthy food, there's all the fruit and vegetables. You can cut out the magazines and other cartons, and you've got a very simple way of just making something very quick and easy. And I'm sure the children will love to play with things like this. There we go. Pizza for lunch.